Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best electric toothbrushes in 2026. If you want a deeper clean, healthier gums, and a brighter smile, these top electric toothbrushes are the perfect upgrade for your daily oral care routine. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Husqvarna for 45S Gas Chainsaw. The Husqvarna for 45S Gas Chainsaw is a powerful tool designed for wood cutting and tree trimming, featuring an 18-inch bar and a robust 50 cubic centimeters, 3 HP, 2-cycle X-torque engine. This chainsaw is equipped with an automatic oiler, ensuring optimal lubrication during operation for enhanced performance and longevity. It makes an excellent gift for men who enjoy outdoor projects or need reliable equipment for maintaining their properties. With its combination of power and efficiency, the Husqvarna for 45S is ideal for both professional and home use. Number 2. Husqvarna for 60 Rancher Gas-Powered Chainsaw. The Husqvarna for 60 Rancher is a powerful gas-powered chainsaw designed for demanding cutting tasks, making it an excellent choice for homeowners, landowners, and professionals. Equipped with a robust 60.3 cubic centimeters 3.6 HP 2-cycle X-torque engine, it delivers impressive cutting performance while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The 24-inch guide bar is ideal for felling large trees, cutting firewood, storm cleanup, and land clearing. Its automatic adjustable oil pump ensures the chain stays properly lubricated for smoother operation and extended bar and chain life. Featuring Husqvarna's low-vib vibration reduction system and ergonomic design, the 460 Rancher provides greater comfort during extended use. Built for durability, power, and reliability, this chainsaw is a dependable tool for tackling heavy-duty outdoor projects and also makes a practical gift for anyone who enjoys forestry, landscaping, or property maintenance. Number 3. Husqvarna for 55 Rancher Gas Chainsaw. The Husqvarna for 55 Rancher is a high-performance gas chainsaw built for homeowners, landowners, and professionals who need reliable power for demanding outdoor tasks. It features a 55 cubic centimeters 3.5 HP 2-cycle X-torque engine that delivers strong cutting performance while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The 20-inch guide bar is well suited for cutting firewood, felling medium to large trees, trimming branches, and clearing land. An automatic chain oiler keeps the chain properly lubricated, helping improve cutting efficiency and extend the life of the bar and chain. Designed with low-vib technology and an ergonomic handle, the 455 Rancher reduces operator fatigue and provides greater comfort during extended use. Combining durability, power, and ease of operation, it is an excellent choice for tackling tough wood-cutting projects and makes a practical gift for outdoor enthusiasts and property owners. Number 4. Husqvarna 120 Mark III Gas Chainsaw. The Husqvarna 120 is a 16-inch portable gas-powered chainsaw designed for ease of use and handling, making it an ideal tool for various home and garden tasks. Weighing just 10.7 pounds, it features a powerful 38 cubic centimeters, 1.88 horsepower X-torque engine that ensures superior performance. The chainsaw is equipped with an air purge system and a combined choke, stop control, facilitating effortless startup and reducing the risk of engine flooding. Additionally, it includes an inertia-activated chain brake to enhance safety by minimizing the likelihood of kickback injuries. The chainsaw also boasts air injection technology, which utilizes a centrifugal air cleaning system to expel larger dust and debris before they reach the air filter, thus prolonging engine life. Designed with low-vib technology, it incorporates dampeners that reduce vibrations, helping to minimize operator fatigue during use. With its combination of performance and user-friendly features, the Husqvarna 120 makes a thoughtful gift for occasions like Father's Day. Number 5. Husqvarna Power Axe 350i Cordless Electric Chainsaw. The Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is a powerful cordless electric chainsaw designed for homeowners and property owners who want gas-like performance without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. It features a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers strong, consistent cutting power for tree trimming, firewood cutting, storm cleanup, and general yard maintenance. Equipped with an 18-inch guide bar and powered by a 40V lithium-ion 7.5Ah battery, this chainsaw provides extended runtime and reliable performance, while the included charger ensures you're ready for the next job. Its quiet operation, lightweight ergonomic design, and tool-free convenience make it comfortable to use for longer periods, and the automatic chain lubrication system helps maintain smooth cutting and extend the life of the bar and chain. Combining impressive power, cordless freedom, and user-friendly features, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is an excellent choice for demanding outdoor tasks and makes a practical gift for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and outdoor professionals. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.